Welcome to the third episode of IKEA Home Stories. Today, we are in Mumbai outside Shaily's apartment. And we are here to give Shaily her dream kitchen.
Standing right outside
so come,
Santosh's
let's have a look
house
at
in
her
a 2
story.
BHK in Vimla Devi Nagar, Hyderabad. So let's go and hear all about his story.
Hi, I'm Shaily. I'm an interior decorator. I live in Mumbai in a small 1 BHK apartment with my husband
Santosh
and
from
3
Hyderabad.
cats.
I've completed
I
my
grew up in
bachelor's in hotel
Rajasthan
management.
and I like to see
I
a
stayed
lot
with
of
my
nature
parents,
around me. That's why I
mom,
live
dad,
in a society
me and
where
my
there are
sister.
so many plants.
We have a 2 BHK.
I moved
we have
around
a
like
small
7,
living room
8
and
years
kitchen.
back. I thought
Mostly
that there
we
would
don't
be a
spend
lot of
time in our room
marketing jobs opportunity
because
here
the room
in
is
Bombay.
a bit congested
Nowadays
and my
it's work
sisters
from
will
home.
be
So
sharing
from
the room.
anyways 8 to 5 though we are in 2 different rooms, our 2
I just have my
workstations.
schoolmates,
So
6
we
people.
used to
When they
come to
come,
the kitchen
you
to
know,
have
it's a bit
food
congested
or
over
to
there.
make
Whenever
chai.
I try to knock the
And
door,
that is the
she'll be like,
most
what
yet to see
happened?
each other
Why
in
are
the
you knocking
kitchen
the
a lot
door?
of
Why are you
times.
disturbing me?
वहीं पे
This
मिलते
happens
थे हम
every
लोग
day
कि आजा
here.
कैंटीन में अभी
Whenever
कुछ
we
बना
fight,
के खाते हैं.
poke our
So
faces.
this is my
The
खाप
photos.
का घर. Only the kitchen needs to get
When you
done.
see my room, there's a window.
The main
Directly
problem
the sunlight will be
is
coming out and the
basically there's a
daylight
lot of
comes
stuff
into
in the
that.
kitchen.
So that's
Every
quite,
day I
quite
use these
disturbing.
things, so
Whenever
I
I
need
go
to
out,
kneel
my denim,
down
my
and
shirts,
then
I put it
pick
everywhere
up.
wherever
So
I
I
want.
need
There's
some
no
solution
space
where I
because
can keep
there's
these
no
things
designated
in
space,
an
you know.
organized way.
I
Problem
just have
here is
some
I don't have enough
blazers,
space to
some
dry
traditional
my
wear,
utensils.
because I
have
can't
a lot
just
of
fold
stuff
them.
which these
I got a
plants
small
can't hold. The weight of this stuff.
bag with some
so
zip.
I got a
so I
call
can
from
hang the stuff over
IKEA
there.
and they asked me where are you struggling
I
in
was
your
always having a
house?
dream of
so I
having
told
an
them
IKEA
I'm
bedroom
struggling
in my
kitchen.
house.
We could do that.
A mail like
And
you,
we can
there's a
add
makeover in your
chefs
bedroom.
to
Then I
to
felt
organize
like,
things better in the
what?
kitchen.
Is it
Yes,
is
yes.
it real?
We've solved
am I
for
dreaming?
everything. I really hope she
Then I
likes
see a
it.
person coming
Sounds
into my
good.
room,
I think
checking
we have a
everything,
plan.
giving
Let's
me
do this.
ideas.
Great,
Then
so
I
now
felt
that
like,
we have the
wow,
design
something
raised upon, we'll
new
send
and
along a
something
team that can
good,
take care of
something
these
great
stories.
is going to happen, you know.
So now that we've seen how Santosh lives and what all problems he faces, let's go to IKEA and find solutions for him.
So I love DIYs because when you make something on your own, you have a very personal attachment with that thing and you take care of it a lot. Perfect.
My room has been blocked for almost 5 days. I don't know what's going in there.
Yesterday all these people came in and they were doing something in the kitchen, but they've told us that you can't go in the kitchen and you can't have a look
Now
at
that we're done
and
with
we
painting,
want it to be a
assembling,
surprise.
organizing and finding small space solutions, let's see
Today
if Santosh
I
will like it or
feel
not.
the calm around me, so I'm very excited for that.
Oh my god.
No words to say this. I'm really feeling very happy.
मैं तो यही रहने वाली हूँ अभी.
बहुत अच्छा बना है. मैं कभी सपनों में भी नहीं सोचा था ऐसा मेरे बेटे का रूम ऐसा होगा, हमारा घर ऐसा होगा.
See this cat food. That's amazing. I knew that IKEA
It was
is
more
going
than
to
what I
be
expected. I got everything in there right now.
Now I'm going to sit there and do everything at least for next 5 days.
I have my own space, my sister has her own space, my dad has some space in this
John
room
Excel
as well.
solution is a thinner solution which handles
Everyone
all the
can sit in
jars
my room.
needed
We
for
have a
cooking. So all
day
the
bed sofa,
ingredients come right here.
everything. There's cushions,
We also have
people can
a
sit
step
down.
stool
And
which
now they'll
caters
not
to
complain about the room because
accessing
it's
all
looking
the
quite big.
solutions that are up there and can also cater when she needs to sit down while prepping up. This one is a part of the John Excel family, so we can have the dry vegetables here.
There was a curtain. When I pull it down, there's no chance of sun coming out. That's awesome.
We have open hanging space for everyday use and then we have closed hanging space to keep it dust free. We have these boxes to make it
These
easy to
are
find.
magnetic knife
These
shelves.
boxes are to
These
hide
are
your
rails
mess
that hold
and
on to
then
all the
this is
equipment
to
you
organize
need.
everything else.
This is
No
the
words
Tilreda
to say
portable
this.
hut.
I'm really feeling very
On the
happy.
wall, we have a shelf
Before it
that
was a
takes
room,
care of all
now
the
it's a
jars
home.
that she'll need when she cooks. We also have plates and dishes.
They never
This is
expected
the Varela
IKEA
solution
coming to
offered
our
by
home and
IKEA.
doing it like
When we
this.
started
Big
designing
thanks
this
to
kitchen,
IKEA.
we segregated areas according to the function. Right here is where the cooking and the preparation happens. In this particular area, we have storage and washing area. And this right here has a lot of options to accommodate the pet food.
अभी हमें पता है शक्कर कहाँ है, फ्रूट्स कहाँ है, प्लांट्स कहाँ है, मेस्ली नहीं है अभी फिलहाल तो। भाई ख्वाब का किचन, इससे ज्यादा और क्या ख्वाब है, like this is